This is the hottest toy of the Christmas season, the drone. This drone is really easy to fly. It holds its position in the air really well, and it's got its own built-in camera on the front. Definitely the coolest feature. Alright, to go up and to go down and to turn left and turn right, that just rotates it, it doesn't actually go anywhere. And then to go forward, go backwards, go left, go right. So those are the basic controls. First go to the App Store and type in Potensic. It's the first app that comes up. It's that one on the left there. And go ahead and install it. And then when you open it, you'll see the screen like this. So in your iPad, go to Settings and then Wi-Fi, and you have to change the Wi-Fi to the funny name UDIRC blah blah blah. And then start the Potensic app. Now your camera should be connected to your iPad, and by tapping on this video icon here you can actually record a video, and there's also a picture button as well. Okay, 3 dominoes. There we go. You can get 3 off the ground. Okay, 4 dominoes. Can you go up as high as you can? Go up so we can get a good video. You can hear it. Just go up. Okay, land it. Uh-oh, it's going over the tree. Try to land it now. Okay, for headless mode, we push the headless button here, and that guy flashes. And now, okay, on headless mode, okay, spin it around, and then bring it back to you. So this way, it doesn't matter which direction the thing is facing; it always goes relative to the controller, which is handy.